Hey everyone, welcome to Health and Fitness. Today we're going to learn about how to use curry leaves for hair growth. Now let's begin. Most of the time, hair fall is directly related to follicle health. Hair follicles get clogged due to factors such as an oily scalp, pollution, and the buildup of products. The clogged follicles leave the scalp feeling irritated, causing itching, dandruff, and hair fall. Curry leaves can effectively treat these problems. Curry leaves are rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants neutralize the free radicals and keep your hair healthy and strong. They are a good source of proteins and beta-carotene. Both of these nutrients prevent hair loss and thinning. The leaves are also rich in amino acids that help strengthen follicles and keep them healthy. Watch this video till the end to find out ways to use curry leaves for hair growth. Caution: your skin might be allergic to curry leaves paste. Do a patch test before applying it to your scalp. Do not consume the seeds as they are poisonous. How to use curry leaves for hair growth. 1. As a hair tonic. Coconut oil is well known for its penetrating properties. And it keeps your hair nourished and moistured. When the oil is infused with the nutrients present in curry leaves, it forms a mixture that helps strengthen the hair roots and shafts while curbing hair loss. What you need: a handful of fresh curry leaves, 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. What you need to do: pour the coconut oil into a pan and add the curry leaves to it. Heat the oil until you see a black residue forming around the leaves. Stand at a safe distance away from the pan while you do this, as the oil is likely to splutter. Turn off the flame and let the mixture cool down. Once the tonic is cool, strain it. You can now apply it to your hair. Gently massage your scalp with your fingertips while applying the oil. Concentrate most on the roots and tips of your hair. Leave it on for an hour and then rinse it with shampoo. How often should you do this? Massage your scalp with this tonic 2 to 3 times a week before each wash to see significant changes within a month. The regular oiling and scalp stimulation will also help boost the rate at which your hair grows. 2. As a hair mask. Yogurt works extremely well as a hydrating scalp cleanse. It removes dead cells and dandruff and leaves your scalp and hair feeling soft and fresh. Curry leaves contain essential nutrients that help flush out the impurities from your scalp, improving follicle health. As an added benefit, they also help prevent premature graying. What you need: a handful of curry leaves, 3 to 4 tablespoons of yogurt or 2 tablespoons of milk. What you need to do: blend the curry leaves into a thick paste. Add 1 tablespoon of the curry leaves paste to 3 to 4 tablespoons of yogurt depending on the length of your hair. Mix the 2 ingredients well until they form a paste of smooth consistency. Massage your scalp and hair with this hair mask. Ensure that all of your hair is covered in it from the roots to the tips. Leave it on for 30 minutes and wash it off with shampoo. How often you should do this? Apply this hair mask once a week to boost scalp health and make your hair soft and shiny. 3. In your diet. Hair care is as much about what you put inside your body as it is about what you put on your hair. An ideal way to use curry leaves to tackle hair fall and promote hair growth is to include it in your diet. Doing this can be as simple as adding powdered curry leaves to rice or curries. Optionally, you could consume a mixture of finely shredded mint leaves, pudina, and curry leaves with milk or buttermilk. In Ayurveda, pitta, heat factor, is responsible for hair loss. And curry leaves have the property to balance the pitta and regulate metabolism. Let's now understand the benefits of using curry leaves for your hair. Benefits of using curry leaves for hair. Curry leaves improve follicle health by getting rid of built-up dead skin, dirt, and grime. They contain nutrients that nourish and strengthen the roots, preventing hair fall. The topical application of the leaves stimulates the scalp and improves blood pressure. This helps remove toxins and boost hair growth. Product buildup is one of the biggest causes of scalp irritation. Your hair products can also form deposits under the cuticles of your hair shaft, making it appear dull and lifeless. It can also give you frizzy hair that is prone to tangling and breakage. Curry leaves help get rid of this buildup, leaving your scalp and hair feeling fresh and healthy. Curry leaves contain various nutrients that aid new hair growth and make your hair strong and healthy. As you get older, your hair starts to become lifeless and weak. Once you run out of the pigment in your follicles, your hair also starts to gray. However, sometimes this happens to young people due to factors like stress, smoking, genetic buildup, or excess consumption of alcohol. Curry leaves help prevent premature hair graying, and, as a result, your hair retains its color and luster longer. Curry leaves are also rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help maintain the health of your hair and scalp. They battle the damage-causing free radicals to keep your hair healthy. Curry leaves improve the elasticity and the tensile strength of your hair. When damaged hair gets enough nourishment and moisture, it starts regaining its former strength and luster. Curry leaves, in combination with coconut oil, help provide the hydration and nourishment that your hair requires to heal. Curry leaves can improve the overall health of your hair while strengthening your hair roots. A hair care routine that incorporates natural ingredients, like curry leaves, can restore your hair to its former glory in no time. Thank you for watching Health and Fitness. And be sure to subscribe our channel, because more incredible content on the way.